Yeah, it's me, ACE, finna kill the beat. Niggas see me in the streets, I be toting the heat, and that Glock is what you meet. If you trying to be discreet and trying to talk through your teeth and try to talk sideways, it's my way or the highway, so what the fuck you better do? You better do what I say, cause you know that I be coming out with them K's. That be coming out with the motherfucking tips that are blaze. A motherfucking hater up, cause I got more bars in a cage. Niggas wanna hate on Ace, but you know that boy right there open a shell case, and they ain't no never case, so they ain't gonna never find a trace. Not on me, not on the motherfucking G, and I don't know why the fuck they wanna fuck with a G, cause you already know I'm know what's up, cause that boy be bucking, I squeeze against your motherfucking head. I be leaving you dead. Check out the steering wheel. I know that bitch is red, and so is my watch, and so is the drop. Haters hating on Ace, but you know that I clock my motherfucking dollars in the motherfucking G, that's Ace. You better follow him, cause if you don't, I'm gonna have to get my dollars in, and I don't even give a fuck about friends. All I give a fuck is about ends, all the way until the end. So if you try to fuck with me and my kin, I put a motherfucking Glock in your motherfucking mouth, and I have to show you what it's about, cause I don't ever bounce like a check, but you already know I pounce and leave you wet. So if your haters talking down, I got more weed to count in the jet. And when I get back to the spot, you niggas don't want to flex, cause I fire your ass up next with a tech. So go and run up and try to disrespect. I never been a G. I never been a nigga that would just squeeze a motherfucking Glock to your head. Cause nigga, I got better ways to kill you. Nigga, I just go to God and have that boy fill you up with a lot of nonsense. Cause you already know that boy just gonna pop it in your motherfucking head, and you know I'm about my profit. Cause you know I'm a prophet, and I'm so fucking toxic, and I'm poisonous. Y'all boys is just motherfucking haters. Y'all niggas like toys to us, cause I break you. Niggas know that I ain't faking, cause you know that I'm making my motherfucking dough, and I'm steady undertaking the rest of you haters. Cause you already know that you niggas is fakers. I'm a penetrator, and I be pulling the motherfucking Ace Tater up on the grater, up on the motherfucking rest of you hoes. Niggas know that I'm blessing the flow. And when I run up on me, best believe the Smith & Wesson a show right up out of the side. Cause when I ride, I be putting it down, and I be full of the pride. So if you haters wanna hate on Ace, cause you know I'm fucking high till my ceiling's gone. Niggas wanna hate on Ace, but I got that feeling homes up in my dome, like when I got the chrome and I got the homegrown up in the blunt finna get blown.